Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you an unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller and the PlayStation 5 charging docks. So without further ado, let's go with the unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller. The new PlayStation 5 controller. It's not DualShocks anymore. It's called DualSense wireless controller for PlayStation 5 from PlayStation Sony. So let's go check out the sides. So it's adaptive haptic feedback from, it's the same thing from the Razer Ultimate Kraken Ultimate Nari Essential Nari something like that, but it has the haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, microphone if you're going to use it without your headsets on, but I suggest you use a headset. It comes with I think they have the new PlayStation 5 wireless 7.1 surround sound headset. Comes with white color, signature comfort. You can see it has been always have been from PlayStation since PlayStation 1. So without further ado, let's go open it up. Let's have our cutter right here. Cut it very nicely. So after using the cutter, put it away safely. So let's check it. Alright, so unfortunately the tape was super strong. I was mistakenly pull it from the wrong side, so this thing does damage. But anyhow, it is the box, not the item inside. But I suggest you do it safely, guys. So there's a plastic right there. So I'm going to pull it out from the box. There's one more box from the inside. It doesn't want me to go out. I wonder why. It has superb. No more. So let's toss it to the side now. So this is the main box, harder carton. So let's go open up this bad boy. Look at that. Look at this. This is the brand new PlayStation 5 controller. So I'm going to pull it out from the bag right there. So there we have it, the plastic. You can toss it around. This is the first look of the PlayStation 5 controller right there. Look at that. Feels very comfortable, guys. I miss the color of. I hope so. They release another edition with colors, but black and white is, or it's okay. You can still has the 3.5mm jack. You can see. I'm going to show you a picture of what is in this. This thing is very, you will not see it, but it has the signature logo signs of the controller at the bottom. It's like the grip thing, the triggers. You can see Sony right there, L1 R1 right there, triggers. You can see, you can hear that. That's the haptic feedback springs or something like that from the inside the controller. So pretty much the same. So I'm going to pull out the PS4 controller right now. I have my PlayStation 4 controller with the cover on it, so I'm going to remove the cover for you guys to see and match what it does look like. You can see my PS4 controller still looks awesome, looks nice. You see, I hope they put these colors back in here. So I'm going to put it side by side for the PS5. It looks bigger now. see. So the light is going to be glowing from this side, from the D-pad. The PS4 is right here. PS4 Pro has a light here also, but the same, maintain the LED light here. Pretty much the same thing. And there's a sound here, and the same goes for the PS5. It has the sounds, the buttons. Very nice, guys. Can't wait to game on this game, to play my games, especially the new Spider-Man Miles Morales. Very wonderful. So let's not forget about the manual instruction, the instruction manual. Pretty much standard, guys. If you're a gamer, you know all about this, so you don't get any wires with it. So I think that's why they release together with the controller is the charging base. So this is a C-type. If you have a C-type, you can plug your wires here. Looks fantastic, guys.
Hi guys, so at the first part of the video I have shown you the unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller, as the details on the controller itself. There's a detail of the PlayStation logos at the back side and on the PlayStation 5 itself. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the PlayStation DualSense charging station, or the charging docks. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So here is the box. It is from PlayStation, Sony, the DualSense charging station for PS5. As we remember, this is the unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller. So in partnership with the controller itself, we need to unbox the DualSense charging station. So I have already cut this. I just miscut this part. So I thought it's the other way out, but pardon me if I got it wrongly. So let's pull it out from the box. Now this is empty. We can toss it away. What's inside of this? This is a thicker one. Okay, so we will open this up. As we open, right at the bottom, we have the instruction manual of the DualSense charging station. Okay, so we just keep it on the side now. So let's put everything out from the box. We have the charging brick. I think this is the power brick. Alright. So we have the standard wire. Alright. And we'll take it out from the plastic itself. Okay, so we have the AC unit. Okay. Simple right here. Right there. So let's keep the plastic inside the box. I think this is the charging station itself. Now we don't have anything in the box, so we'll keep it away. Right now, this is the Sony. You can see the logo itself. There we go, the Sony name. There's some, I think this is piano block. The plastic material is based from piano block. I think this goes with the okay, alright. So we have some bunch of information at the bottom. So this is the brand new charging station. So I think this is where it's a 5.1 volts power. This is where this part goes in. Alright. So it's sitting pretty nicely. Alright, so it's like this. No RGB, no other lights, just simple plug and play. Okay. Your charging station, your charging docks for your PlayStation 5. There's some rubberized here, as you can see, from this side all the way to the top, so it will not be slipping away, sliding into your table. So I'm going to show you how you going to, it's not the other way. I think it's already go for the PlayStation 4. I think it's already going downwards. Now they change it because they have this. This is a fast charger, I think. So all you have to do is just like that, two of them all together, and directly plug this power to the power outlet, and have your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller charging. It is having a light, orange light. If it's already full, the light will go down. So if you're not charging, if you don't want to plug this out to your power outlet, you just simply tilt it like 30 degrees. So this way, it will not be charging. The batteries of the controller itself will not be overcharged. So pretty nice. And you have a display. You can display your. It's pretty nice. And you have a display. You can display your brand new PlayStation 5 DualSense controller onto your desk or onto your sofa.
So there you have it, guys. That's the unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller, the DualSense, the haptic feedbacks. Right here. Cannot wait to play on this bad boy, guys. So I'm going to show you side by side with the PlayStation 4 controller. As you can see, I have used this very roughly, but I have my covers to it. All kind of covers, colors. I'm using blue. So there's the PlayStation 4 and your new PlayStation 5. PlayStation 4 code is the DualShocks. Now you have the PlayStation 5 DualSense for the PlayStation 5. So there you have it, guys. That's my unboxing of the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my unboxing playlist and my other playlists of my channel. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, guys. Bye bye. Peace.